Here's how to turn off YouTube Shorts. Now, if you're on an iPhone or an Android, open up the YouTube app, or you can go to youtube.com. The first thing you need to do is tap on You at the very bottom right. And here you can see is your history. Let's hit the View All. And then instead of all, let's go over to Shorts. If you've watched any shorts, we need to remove those from your watch history so that YouTube doesn't get an idea that you like watching shorts. So tap on those three dots next to them and hit remove from watch history. So I'm going to go through all of these and hit remove from my watch history on all three of those. Now, if I refresh this, it doesn't show up with any shorts. That's the first step. The next thing we're going to do is tap on the home button at the bottom left, and you're going to scroll down until you find shorts here. You'll be able to see in the short section at the top right are those three dots. You can tap on it and hit show fewer shorts. You'll be able to see that entire shorts screen has been removed. Keep in mind, this works for about 30 days and then it is reset on YouTube. So you will need to continually do this because they'll just reappear on YouTube. You can see if I go down and swipe down and scroll down, it's not showing me any shorts. However, if it's still showing you shorts, there are some other options. You can tap on the You button at the bottom right. Tap on it again. And then from here, you can either choose to hit the turn on incognito mode, because when you do that, you'll be able to see it doesn't recommend anything, including no shorts. So you can choose to have incognito mode turned on, and then it won't show you any shorts. Or another option, let's turn off incognito mode, and instead go to You at the bottom right. And then after you've done that, tap on the gear icon at the very top right. And you can see the Manage All History. Let's tap on that. After you're in the Manage All History, let's go over to Controls. And then you can see your YouTube history. All you need to do is hit Turn Off and then pause this. Now, by going through this process of pausing your entire YouTube history, they won't recommend any of those shorts. I'll show you what it looks like. We can go back out of here and go home. And if I swipe down, it won't show me anything. Now, again, similar to incognito mode, I won't see any normal videos, but I also won't see any YouTube shorts. So it's a trade-off which one you would prefer, either just a blank screen where you can search for something, or just tap on the Explore page to go into the category that you want, or to just be able to not see or see those YouTube shorts.